This sweet and tangy barbecue sauce is packed with flavor and pairs well with any meat. It's a version of Carolina mustard barbecue sauce that also has peaches and an optional spicy kick of heat. Did I mention this sauce is also healthier too? Here's the nutrition facts for this sauce. Let's get to cooking. One thing that goes well with this sauce is chicken wings, so let's start by making those. First, pack down 3 pounds of wings with a paper towel to remove any moisture. This will be an important step to make the chicken crispy. Shake the chicken in some flour, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Instead of frying the wings in oil, cook them in either an air fryer or an oven. For crispier wings, you'll want to air fry them. For the oven, place the wings on a cooling rack on top of a pan lined with parchment paper. Now you can't have dry wings without a sauce, so let's start making this delicious peach sauce. First add 1 shallot, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon olive oil to your pan. Toss in 3 cups of peaches. If you want some spicy heat to the sauce, add some green and red jalapenos, but honestly, I would recommend skipping it or removing the seeds to reduce the heat. Cook and stir everything together on low to medium heat for a couple of minutes. Remove the sauce from the heat so you can blend it later. Meanwhile, check on your chicken wings and flip them over halfway through cooking. Don't worry if there's still flour on the wings because the fat will render and coat it. After cooling the sauce for a bit, blend it together and put it back into the pan. Now you can't have a Carolina barbecue sauce without some mustard, so add equal parts yellow mustard and honey to your pan. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice to the sauce. Also, if you made your sauce too spicy, add some more lemon juice and honey to balance the heat. If you want your sauce to be thick, reduce the sauce by cooking it. If you want it to be thinner, add a little bit of water. Enjoy the sweet and tangy peach Carolina barbecue sauce. Subscribe for more healthy recipes.